With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So our question is, if gene frequency between genes A and C 2%, B and C 13%, B and D 4%, A and B 15%, C and D 19%, what will be the sequence of these genes in a chromosome? Option A, ABCD, option B, ACBD, option C, DBAC, or option D, ADBC. So we have to tell that out of these four options, which represents the correct sequence of genes in a chromosome, given to us the following distances. So when we talk about the distance between the genes, we are dealing majorly with the recombinant genes or the link and the linkage. So recombination, it is inversely proportional to the linkage. That means if recombination increases, so here these percentage are actually the recombinations. So if the recombination increases, then the linkage will decrease. It is given to us example like C and D given as 19%, and 19% is highest among the all, which represents that the recombination is most, and therefore the linkage will be, if the linkage decreases, then what happens? The distance increases. Because the linkages decrease. So now based on these percentage, we have to keep the genes in a distance and have to determine the sequence. So first let's note down all the percentage and the distances, and then we will sequence them. So the first one given to us is the C and D. So which is the highest? So C and D is given to us as 19% is the highest. Then another given to us is A and B. A and B is given to us as 15%, which is the second highest. Then B and C here given to us as 13%. Then we will be considering B and D, which is 4%, and then A and C 2%. A and C 2%. So based on this, we will sequence them now. So first is 19%. That means these two genes are farthest. So C and D. So these genes are farthest and we have considered them as 19%. Now come as, since we have already considered C, so now let's look upon the gene which are associated or they are linked to the C. So now we will consider the least one for the C. So for C, the least distance or the linkage is with A, that is the 2%. So here we will consider it as 2% between this, and this is 2% between A and C. So, and now when we have considered A also, we have C also. So let's see the distance between A and B now, the second highest. So first we have choose the highest, lowest, and now we are choosing the second highest, so which is 15%. So that means A and B will be 15%. A and C is 2%. That means B will be beyond C. So let's consider here as 15% B. So here the distance, it is actually 15% for A and B. And now it is given the distance between the B and C and B and D. So B and C distance, it would be 13%, like here it is 15, and if we minus 2, then it will be 13%, and B and D will be 4% because 19 minus 13 is 4, and it is given also 4 and 13. So the sequence that came out is bit A and C, which is 2%, then B, which is in which C and B are 13%, and then B and D 4%. So the sequence that has been resulted is A, C, B and D. So A, C, B, D is the sequence. So now let's consider the option. The option 1 is A. A is okay. Then B. So it is wrong. The sequence is AC, not AB. Next one is ACBD, which matches with the answer, so it is the right option. Next one is D. No, D is not in the starting, so it is wrong. Then AD, no. It is ACBD, so it is also wrong. So option 2, that is the ACBD, is the right sequence for the genes in the chromosome.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.